Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how I did my I-130 visa. Trust me, people, I kept it real simple because I didn't have a clue what I was doing. But I got the job done. First thing I did was went to United States Citizenship and Immigration Service website, www.uscis.gov website, and I printed out the I-130 petitions. Now, scroll down here. It says I-130 petition for alien relative. Now, some people like K1 visa, some people like I-130. Well, I started to do K1 visa, but they asked for too much. I got just a little taste of criminal history. I ain't got no felonies. I got a little misdemeanors. And let me tell you, you got to pull up all of that and put that down on the application. And they might not approve you. But if you go down there and you do I-130, you go to the Philippines once or twice. I-130, you don't have to put no criminal history down. You go visit, you date for a little while, go visit once or twice, do your I-130 petition. Okay, now I'm down here, I-130 petition for alien relatives. I'm going to click that. See there? You can file that online. K1 visa, you cannot file online. You have to do that. You have to mail that in. If you file an I-130 online, you'll save at least 30 days. Because once you do all that paperwork, you click enter. It's there. Okay. You're going to click that. You're going to print out your I-130 petition. Let me go back. All forms. I'm going to hit in the search box I-130 petition for alien relative. I'm going to click it, the first one here. Scroll down to forms and downloads. You download the I-130 petition, and you also download the instructions and read them. Download all this. You download the I-130 petition. You make your copy or two. You can download it to your phone, take it to Office Depot and print it out, or hopefully you got your laptop and you got your printer. You print it out at home. Once you get all that done, then you go to YouTube. You go to YouTube and you click on how do you fill out I-130 petition. You go to YouTube, you click on how do you fill out your I-130 petition. You watch a few of those videos and they will tell you how to do it, and they will tell you the mistakes that can be made and everything. They'll tell you all the mistakes that you can make. You watch a few good ones. How to fill out I-130. You find a few good videos, you watch those. Once you watched two or three, then you go back, find the best one that shows you all the mistakes that can be made on filling out the paper, because some parts of it is tricky. and you watch the YouTube video and you fill it out by hand with a pen and paper. You fill it out, and once you have it filled out, make sure you got a video that shows you the mistakes that can be made and the mistakes people make filling out I-130 alien relative. And they'll show you how to fill it out and where the mistakes can be made. Sometimes it's a little tricky. You fill that paperwork out by hand. Once you get it filled out by hand, then you go in here to the USCIS website, uscis.gov website. You file online. You create, see, I already have an account. You create an account. You go in there and you file your I-130. Simple as that. You already have done your online marriage and you have your apostille paperwork ready. You're already married in the United States and you married in the Philippines or Ukraine or Mexico. You scan all that paperwork out. If you got a printer and a good laptop, you scan all that stuff. Sometimes you have like divorce decrees and I-130 petition. You have to scan all. They want you to scan all the paper together. Office Depot is not too expensive. You go to Office Depot, you can get your USB drive or send it to your email. Office Depot, man, they make it real easy. The printer's big and fast. You can scan a divorce decree, 30 pages, bam, it'll put it all in one file. Sometimes they want you to put it in one file. When you get to the NVC part, they want you to put it all in one file, everything nice and neat. Sometimes they ask for divorce decrees. You put it on a USB drive or your email, and you send it to. I'm at going through the NVC. I've been approved, and I'm going through the NVC now. So I'm sending my paperwork to the NVC, National Visa Center. Once you do that online marriage, you get that apostille. You've registered your marriage in whatever country your spouse is in. 9 times out of 10, you're going to be approved, whether you got a little taste of criminal history or not. Then you go through to the NVC, Office Depot. Hell, if you don't have a computer at home, Office Depot and your phone. You use your phone and Office Depot. You scan your papers at Office Depot. You send them to your email. You can send them to your email through the Office Depot printer. And then you go to the website and you download them. Bam. It's going to automatically work. Also, when you're doing your I-130, you got to have passport photos. You get your passport photo app. The one I used, I went to Walgreens and made me some passport photos and scanned them and cropped them and sent them in. And also I have this app called Passport Photo Editor. I use that. And you scan them up. They'll accept them. USCIS isn't as critical as NVC. NVC been kind of critical, but I had to go to Office Depot and scan all my papers all together, and they accepted it. Thanks, people. Please like and subscribe if I've helped you with this. You might not like anything else that I put on. You ain't got to never come back here again. Just send it to somebody. Like it, subscribe it. Hell, if you don't watch it, no more. I thank you. I help you pass it on. Help somebody else. Also, I'm going to tell you, I didn't tell you on my other, I'm going to get my officiant who married me on my online marriage. I'm gonna give y'all her contact information. Maybe she can make some money. Give her props. She was nice. She did a good job. Hooked everything up. Even told me about the prosteel. Her name is Miss Eileen. Her number is 925-640-9425. I don't know if she's still doing them, but she might be. Thank you.